Sing me a song.
No.
No?
I'm not calling him, don't worry.
Sing me a song, Ethan.
You're not calling Santa?
Jesus loves me, yes I know. Do you know that song?
Yeah.
Sing it.
Okay. And you're down now, and now you're down. And no reason down, no reason. And no rabbit was coming. And no reason she say wait. And Jesus is in my heart. And now where's he gonna laugh? And now where's he gonna do that? And now where's the do?
Oh.
That's a song.
That's a song? What's it
Yeah.
called? What's your song called?
And Jesus is in my heart. 3 days he went, the day he went.
And Jesus lives in your heart for 3 days?
Yeah.
Where does he live the rest of the days? Where does he live the rest of the days if he only lives in your heart for 3 days?
And he lives in Boston, and then somebody, I don't know where. I
Does Jesus live in your heart today?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Are you coming?
Yes? What are you doing? What's Emmy doing? What's Emmy doing? Don't you put things in there. What is that? What are you eating? Do you want to sing me another song?
Maybe Carmen. No, Carmen. Carmen.
Spider-Man? Okay, sing me Spider-Man.
Carmen is the way. There comes transportation. When he and you go, there comes the Spider-Man.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's how it goes?
Yeah.
Oh. Is that crazy, that song?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.